What is alarm limit? In this video, I will explain about standards for alarm limits like high alarm, or operating design pressure or temperature. Let's take pressure as an example. As we know, there should be a distance between maximum operating pressure or PAH and PAHH and maximum design pressure. So maximum design pressure should be at least 5% higher than PAHH, and PAHH itself should be at least 5% higher than PAH, or maximum operating pressure. And this is an example like PAH 100, PAHH 120, maximum design pressure is 150. But if PAH is 100, as per our standard, PAHH could be 5% more than it, so 105 or 106 it could be. But it is better to have 120 or a bit higher, because if there's much distance, it means we give operators more time to respond to alarm. If the pressure is 100 bar G, they get an PAH alarm, and after that they will have some time to respond that alarm, to open or close some final control elements and adjust the pressure. So if there's less distance between PAH and PAHH, and PAHH is trip point, so before appropriate response, trip will happen. And also about maximum design pressure, between maximum design pressure and PAHH, there should be a little more gap. But as per standard, each other will be at least 5% higher than other cells. So it means our PAHH and maximum design pressure cannot be same, like 140, etc. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.